Once a young man was passing by a street where he saw an old man sitting on roadside begging for money. That old man was sitting there with an empty bowl kept in front of him, and a cardboard sign was kept beside that empty bowl. On cardboard cut out it was written, "Blind, please help." Young man noticed that despite it was rush hour and many people were passing by that old man, yet no one was giving him any money. Young man felt very bad that no one was helping that old man or giving him any money. So he went to that old man and took his cardboard in his hand. He then took out a thick marker pen out of his pocket and turned the cardboard sheet back to front and rewrote the sign, then went on his way. Old man noticed that someone was there rewriting something on the board but didn't say anything. Just in few minutes, that empty bowl was now filled with money. Old man noticed that and stopped a stranger and asked him what was written on that cardboard. The stranger replied, "It says, it's a beautiful day. You can see it, but I cannot." The moral: if we choose right words, then we can truly connect with people and change their views.